What's good, y'all? I'm back again with another video, and of course I got another unboxing for you guys, just checking to see if I'm actually showing the right side of the face, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, with that being said, I hope y'all having a blessed day. I hope everything's good, you feel me, in y'all daily lives as well. But why don't we get right to it, to another unboxing from I forgot to say it himself. And usually I'm always prepared, but I don't know why I'm getting clumsy lately. So why don't we get right? You got, oh shit, okay. Oh, this is interesting. This is very interesting. Damn. So looks like the Yeezy Lord came right back to it, man. Yeezy came right back into this, man. Look at this. What? What is this? Alvah? Oh, so we got the Yeezy 700s. Let me look inside real quick. I don't know what Alvah is, but let me look into it. Y'all know how I feel about these. You know what I'm gonna say. I was gonna say it, but I can't say stuff like that no more. So, man, yo, look at this. This is like, it can almost fit in my hand. That's crazy. But damn, look at this pair, bro. We got the Alvah Yeezy V3 700s. Like, I don't know if I got that name right, but y'all, but just go with it, all right? Just go with it. But man, the material on this pair is crazy. I like the design on the side. It kind of reminds me of a Nike Dunk that I still haven't copped a pair yet, but it kind of reminds me of it, the designing of it though. And I heard these type of 700 versions can glow in the dark, but I'll make sure to conclude that as well too. But other than that, man, this pair is really dope. Look at the bottom. Yo, I don't know who has a pair, but if y'all have a pair like this, let me know how they feel. Cause this is my first time getting this pair. Like really, like I never wear a pair of this. Y'all seen the V2s I have, the Citrons in my previous video that I made a while back. But this right here, man, we gotta get more Yeezys for sure. This Yeezy's sexy. What? Look how it is. Like it has that type of grip material. This part right here where this goes in the dark, I'm pretty sure it has to be some type of material, I don't know. But this right here, I think this is like Velcro mesh. Velcro maybe. This is mesh for sure. Got some elastic laces. A little bit bouncy. The insole looks amazing. The insole looks really amazing. And it can stretch out too. See right here. Adidas, Yeezy. Let me see what it says on the side right there. But yeah, this pair is really dope. Let me take out the other pair. Of course, it has to come with the tag. You all know the channel comes with tags. Come on, bro. But I don't know what to tell you. Like, I never wore this version of the Yeezys before, but I do know for a fact that Yeezys are dope. They are very comfortable, and they're most likely a lifestyle shoe to wear. Man, this shoe is really dope, and I give these a 9 out of 10. Now, I never see anyone review these, not yet, but I'm pretty sure some other people review these on their channels, or some other people talked about these on websites like High and Obesity, Soul Sneakers, Nice Kicks, etc. So, but yeah, I know some of y'all have been like, oh, is he just gonna be reviewing Dunks, Air Jordan 1s, or like Kobe's and some stuff? Nah, we're gonna bring up a little bit more different, which means y'all gonna be seeing, y'all gonna be seeing more of these babies in the collection for sure. I mean, I stopped the Yeezy collection idea for a while, but now seeing these in my hands, shit, why not? But how y'all feel? But let me know how y'all feel about these, cause I love them. I hope that y'all love them for sure. And I know my boy 99 Live is a huge Adidas fan. 99, if you're watching this, you gotta get a pair like this soon. But since we talked about the shoe, the materials and all that, why don't we get to this OnFoot review and let's go. Also have a blessed day as well too. Let's go.